Hello! My name is Alex Carnifex, and today I'm going to do a simple and easy tutorial on how to join Google+. First, go on Google, sign into your Gmail account, then type in Google+, and then go to join Google+ at the top left corner of the main Google+ page. Create your own name as it asks you, and then you're all set. Your Google+ page is final and is connected to your Gmail. From now on, enjoy. You're all set to go. Hopefully this YouTube video was informative. Subscribe to my channel and check out some of my other videos for some more amazing content. I am Alex Carnifex, and I am out.